Hey guys, so quick video for you on how you can change your crosshair on your Koorui monitor. So the way how you're gonna do it is that when you are going to turn on the monitor, and there you're gonna have Koorui, and you're gonna have a game mode. So first you're gonna go to game mode, and there you're gonna find a crosshair, and you want to press the crosshair, and there you can have all the crosshairs that you can choose, but you can't make them bigger or smaller, so just be aware of it. So you're going to go to game mode, crosshair, and then you can choose the crosshair, but again you can make them bigger or smaller. So that's how you're going to do it. And yeah, so thank you very much for watching. Hope you have a great day. And have a great day and goodbye.